Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Positiv FLO Acne Capsules, a supplement that claims to clear skin, reduce acne flare-ups, and balance oil production from the inside out. On the surface, this sounds like a dream product for anyone struggling with acne. Let's start with the positives. The capsules contain ingredients like zinc, vitamin E, and burdock root, which are known to have some role in skin health. We noticed that after consistent use, there was a slight reduction in redness and inflammation, especially for mild breakouts. The capsules are also convenient to take daily and fit easily into a skincare routine. But now for the cons. This supplement is not a miracle cure. For moderate to severe acne, the results were minimal and breakouts still occurred. Another issue is that the product heavily markets itself as a solution to hormonal acne, yet it doesn't contain clinically strong ingredients proven to regulate hormones. It also takes weeks to see even small improvements, which may leave users disappointed. Overall, Positiv FLO Acne Capsules can support skin health in mild cases, but it's not the all-in-one acne solution it claims to be. For stubborn acne, dermatologist treatments remain far more effective. This has been How to Keep things smart and simple and scam-free.